Add 1 point if you heard this viral song.
Darling, can I be your favorite? I'll be your girlie.
Give yourself 1 point for each song you recognize. If you score more than 5, then you're officially king or queen of social media trends. Easy mode.
Now he's thinking about me every night. Don't you want me like I want you?
Bonus round. At 1 point if you're one of the rare trend experts who subscribe and like the video. Now let's upgrade to normal mode.
Hate me, still trying to replace. Live my day as if it was the last. Live my day as...
Now add 1 point if you think you keep up with trends better than the first person that pops up when you click share and then more. Now expert mode.
You know how to make me cry when you...
Type in the comment how many